Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through creating an interactive wireframe for an e-commerce mobile application. Let's get started. We are using the Mockflow wireframing editor in conjunction with its mobile e-commerce UI pack. This pack features a variety of ready-to-use components organized under different categories, allowing you to quickly kickstart your design. Since we'll be creating multiple pages for this app, let's start by designing a master page that can serve as the framework for all other pages. This approach will save time and ensure consistency. We've added a ready-to-use top status bar from the UI pack to display the user's mobile phone status and a bottom navigation bar for quick access to key sections of the app. Using the master page as our foundation, we'll now design the home page of the e-commerce mobile app. This approach ensures uniformity, as the same master page can be applied across all pages. Let's enhance the user experience by adding a profile icon and a search bar from the list section, making navigation within the app easier. Next, add a ready-to-use hero image to capture attention. Then, we'll incorporate a category section to help users find the right products. All elements can be customized as needed. Now, let's add tab navigation in the category section to enhance the user experience by enabling users to switch between different app categories. After that, we'll include the product grid from the search bar and product list section to display popular items, allowing users to click for more details. With Mockflow, you can easily upload images in the Mockflow's image library and replace any image in your design whenever needed. This flexibility simplifies the wireframing process. Following the home page, users will next visit the detailed product page, which provides essential information about the products. We'll name this page and add the ready-to-use product detail element from the UI pack to showcase various aspects of the featured products. This page plays a crucial role in the user journey, allowing users to explore the features, specifications, and benefits of each product in greater detail. Next, we'll create the checkout page, a critical step in the purchasing process. On this page, users will have the opportunity to review the products they've saved for purchase, ensuring they have everything they need before finalizing their order. The checkout page is designed to provide a seamless and user-friendly experience, guiding users smoothly toward completing their purchase. Mockflow makes it easy for us by making customized components. To make our wireframes interactive, we'll utilize Mockflow's prototyping feature. Start by adding interactions to the selected image, selecting mouse click, and linking the detailed product page using a go-to-page action. This setup ensures that the page appears when the interaction is triggered. Once users navigate to the detailed product page, they can check the product details and proceed to checkout. Let's add interaction to link this page to the checkout page using mouse click interaction. On the checkout page, when the user places an order, a confirmation will appear. We'll add the pop-up modal from the mobile e-commerce UI pack. The pop-up will appear with an overlay effect. We can create this effect by dragging and dropping a rectangle component and the pop-up modal, then align them with the wireframe using the alignment settings. To keep our components organized, we'll hide and rename the created overlay and pop-up modal using layers. This will save time when searching for components. Using Mockflow's prototyping feature, we'll add the interaction for the order confirmation pop-up by selecting the mouse click interaction to display the pop-up and overlay when triggered. Additionally, we'll apply a fade-in effect to ensure smoother navigation during the prototype interaction. Once the confirmation alert appears, users will have the option to navigate back to the home page. We will add another interaction by implementing a mouse click trigger that uses the Go to Page action to initiate this navigation. We can link the pages by adding interactions and viewing them in view mode. When clicking on the image, it will navigate to the product page. Similarly, clicking on the checkout button will take the user to the checkout page, where the order pop-up will appear. Finally, clicking on Continue Shopping will navigate back to the home page. The wireframe for our e-commerce mobile application is now interactive. And there you have it. You can now create your own e-commerce mobile application with interactions. Ready to bring your vision to life? Sign up today and start designing.